So, Westway Potter 19 fans, especially your Rudder fans, this is what I've done so far. So, I'm using a product called WoodEpox, and what I tried to do, and I made the amateur mistake, which I knew I was going to make, of putting too much on. Which is going to require a lot of sanding. But I've read about this WoodEpox product, and it's a two-part product whereby you mix equal parts, and it's a little bit drier than Play-Doh when you are done, or thereabouts, and you just put it on and it dries, and it's supposed to be pretty good stuff. So I may wind up putting multiple layers of WoodEpox on, but I put the first set of coats on, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it, see how it is, and make a decision as to whether or not I should put more on. Let me get it from the other side so that we have an understanding of what's going on here. You can see it close-up view, real. I caked it on here on the leading edge of the, actually that's the back edge of the rudder. I wanted to see how it would do, and I did cake it on here, which is the leading edge of the rudder. In all honesty, the bottom portion of this rudder should probably be replaced. That's a thought. I may try to find a woodworker who might be able to make something out of mahogany, but that's for another day. Just trying to get it into the water for now, and it's drying, and I'm told about an hour and a half before I can sand. I'm going to reread the directions, but WoodEpox, that's the product that I'm trying right now. Westway Potter 19 Rudder fans, out.